Good morning, everyone. Yagya and Ajeta, please start the assembly, and everybody, please turn your videos on. Okay, Ajeta and Yagya, you've been asked to unmute. Please unmute yourself, turn your videos on, and start the show.
Imagination is the beginning of creation. You imagine what you desire, you will what you imagine, and at last you create what you will. A very auspicious morning to our Honorable Chairman, Sir, Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and all my friends. I, Yagya Arya, and
I, Ajeta Chaudhary,
are going to host this assembly. Wait, Ajita, can you please make our audience aware that why are we here for a special assembly?
Yeah, of course. But first, I would like to begin with a thought. Every yesterday is a dream of happiness, and every tomorrow is a vision of hope. Carrying the same vision, we as SNVP family have completed 16 glorious and tremendous years of its existence. So here we are to celebrate this day as the foundation stone of our school was laid today. So to make it special, let's start our celebration.
Okay, so that's a perfect occasion for celebration. But every auspicious occasion starts with the name of God because prayer is putting oneself in hands of God. So let's join our hands, close our eyes, and get into the hands of God.
निर्भव निर्वैर काल मूरत अर्जुनी सैभंग गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। ओम नमो हरिहंताणं ओम नमो सिद्धाणं ओम नमो आयर्याणं ओम नमो व्रजायाणं नमो लोए सब सामूढं ऐसो पंचड़मुक्कारो ऐसो पंचड़मुक्कारो सब में पाव बड़ासड़ो मंगलाणं च सब वेसिं परमं हावै मंगलम् परमं हावै मंगलम्। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Listening new thought in the morning can enlighten your day. So here comes Jerome to inspire with his thought. Listening new thought in the morning can enlighten your day. So to inspire with thought, here comes Jerome from class 9th.
Actually, Jerome is not getting connected. So Ajayta and Yagya, you continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we are going to see a video on this auspicious day by Amay Gupta of class 10.
Ajayta, Yagya, please announce the next performance. Jerome is not getting connected.
Now we are going to see a video by Amay Gupta on this auspicious day.
A very warm greetings to one and all present here. I, Amay Gupta of class 10th, is present here to deliver a speech, or you can say to celebrate 16 successful years of our beloved temple of education, none other than Shanti Niketan Vidyapeeth. So on this auspicious day, I want you all to go back to that day when you stepped into this school for the first time and just live that moment for a few seconds. I know this really made your mood as well as your day. So let's go 16 years back in 2005. This day, the foundation stone of our school was placed in the foundation of this building by a person who still lives in our heart, the kindest person we ever knew, none other than Mr. Nagin Chand Jain, or the holy god of our temple of education. Well, now talking about the plot of my speech. Well, he's like the sky, never ending. He's like the rain. Whenever he comes, smiles automatically pop up on our faces. He is our beloved school director, Dr. Vishal Jain, the founder of CPT Online, the renowned educationalist, and the leader of leaders. He holds a big share in every achievement we have ever achieved, as there is his hard work and well wishes behind, and we really appreciate it. Well, talking about achievements, I remember a person. Well, you can guess it too. She is hardworking, cute, chubby, confident, and very down to earth. Well, she is none other than our principal, Miss Vibha Gupta. If you want to learn teamwork and leadership skills, you should better take tuitions from her, as she is the Dronacharya of leaders and my inspiration. And yeah, how can we forget our teachers, as they are the priests of this temple and they literally deserve a big salute, not from our hands, but from our hearts, for being the pole star of our dreams. And how can we forget all our achievements we have achieved with our little hands of faith and belief, just to make our parents, teachers, whole school, or I must say, the whole country proud. Yeah, you heard it right. Our students just proved that SNVP is not a school which pressurizes the students, but make them a leader at the end of the day. So at last, I wanna thank you all, as if you are there, then only the school is there. After all, we all are little sons. We don't shine for ourselves, but for the holy mankind. Thank you.
Now it's time to sink into the depth of music, song, bliss, and enjoyment. We will have a rainbow of cultural programs. Now let's have a dance video of this breath of class 6. Now let's have a video of Adrit Giri of class 8.
Summers are hot, drinks are cool. So much I love my school. Hi everyone, this is Adit Giri and I am very excited today. I want to dance, I want to party. Guess why? Is it someone's anniversary? No. Birthday? No. Buddy, it's the Founders Day of our very old school, Shanti Niketan Vidyapeeth. So, why I love my school? Let me show you. The school is like a temple of learning. One can be wants to be. They really make your path smooth and clean. Not only academics, my school has all the potentials to make sports persons. They get best out of us and make us champion. Along with all, they teach us to become a civilized person. How should one live and how to serve the society? No one can get Gyan without Guru. So, now you know why I love my school. Why am I so excited? So come, let's celebrate.
Oh, it was a very incredible video. Here comes Nandini Chauhan to share her speech.
Nandini, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. A very good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Nandini Chauhan of grade 9, would like to speak something. We all know that today, 14 July 2021, is the day of celebration and an occasion on which we can wish our SNVP school a very happy 16th birthday. Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth was founded by Sri Nagin Chand Jain ji on 14 July 2005. SNVP, an enormous giant tree, profounding its influence, expanding branches of its records, providing shade of education to thousand manufacturing future civils, enlightening and igniting many minds and carving the future flag barriers of our country. The name Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth is not given to a specific land or area or any infrastructure or a heap of bricks and cement. It is the name given to a vast family consisting of so many aspirants in the form of present students and so many achievers in the commanding staff of it. If we turn over the pages of history of the journey of Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth, I am sure that you will filled with pride after seeing the words of achievement written with the ink of determination, dedication by our family members. Whichever field it was, SNVP was proof that as long as it is in competition, there will be surely fear and jealousy in the heart of competitors. Not only on the national level, we have made it international level achievements also. Some of them are Limca Book of Record for longest Rakhi, Guinness World Record for the longest painting. Some of the awards are Most High-Tech School in West UP by AICOI, SOE Global Education Award 2012, Best School of CBSE, and many more. After looking at all these achievements, I feel proud that to student of Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth. For many students, this is the starting point of their journey of education, and I am happy that I am one of them. This is my Founders Day to our school and to all of them that are present here. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Oh, that was a wonderful speech, Nandini.
Now we are going to see a mesmerizing dance performance by Icha of class 6.
लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, मॉडल टाउन विच मारी गेड़ी, मॉडल टाउन विच मारी गेड़ी, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, किथे कल्ले कल्ले। इश्क दा ऐसा पाया जाल सोनिए, दिल मेरा कट के ले गई नाल सोनिए, तेरे पीछे लगे होया साल सोनिए, मान जा क्यों ना सता करे गहरा नाल जद कल्ला, दुखदा है दिल मेरा चल्ला, किन्ना तड़ पावे सोनिए, पावे तू फिर मिठी मिठी गल्ला करी जावे, कहंदी गड्डी विच गेड़ियां लवाते, हुण दूरों तक्की जा तू सोनिए, लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, लंबरगिनी चलाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, किथे कल्ले कल्ले। मॉडल टाउन विच मारी गेड़ी, मॉडल टाउन विच मारी गेड़ी, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, किथे कल्ले कल्ले। Goddamn, $1 million Lamborghini, fail तू कराती लगे उस तो भी महंगी।
Thank you, Icha, for this fantastic video.
Now, here comes Abhinandan from class 8B with his beautiful poem.
Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Abhinandan from class 8A. Today here I am standing for reciting a poem on topic my school. School is something we must all embrace. Knowledge we need to seek out and chase. Subjects and teaching styles are plentiful and varied, just like the backpacks we all need to carry. Sport, club and activities every single term. So much to do, study and learn. To get the most from school, we should consistently attend. Around each corner, there are always a friend. Our favorite teachers are friendly and kind. Their passion and job to expand everyone. School is something we must all embrace. Just remember to learn at your own pace. Thank you and have a nice day.
Oh, that was a very nice poem.
Now we are going to see another dance video by Jasmeet Barar. you, Jasmeet, for this lovely video.
Now here comes our head boy Aryan Tyagi to share his speech.
As we lose ourselves in the service of the other, we discover our own lives and our own happiness. That has been truly proven by the Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth. Good morning, one and all present here today. I am Aryan Tyagi, a vice head who is very grateful to SNVP for giving this wonderful opportunity to me to express my experiences with SNVP. SNVP is a great and wonderful platform for the students like me. When I enter to the SNVP, I am a less confident child who does not even know how to read and write, how to express myself. But this university gave me the wonderful training and the opportunity to enhance my skill and myself. If I was wondering if I was not going to enter to this university, then I was not be able to go on to be like that what I was today. There was a time when this school has not spread as that it was now. It was very less spread, but today this school has been on the top rank due to because of because of our grateful teachers. There was a time when a man, a co-founder himself, was the principal of this school. I'm talking about the man who does not require any description. He was none other than Dr. Vishal Jain, who was a great inspiration for us. He doesn't teach us only the aim of the life, but he himself had proven us how the path was difficult and he himself gone through it. Otherwise, it would not be possible for us to be on the top ranks. That had been done because of his hard work, dedication, and the motive to make the world educated. He is highly inspiring inspiration for youngsters like me, those who are going to facing the world next year. In 2020, we have gone through many crises of corona pandemic. At that time, we all are new to this online world. At this point of time, no one was friendly with the online platform, and we, especially the student, would not be able to get the study material. When this problem reaches to the teachers of the SNVP, they found a solution. They they create the CPT online where we get the all the materials, but but the making of it was very hard. As the teacher worked for many days and nights, they were not able to give the time to their families so that we could able to support their families. Today, I was so grateful to the Nagin Prakashan sir who had established this institute. In fact, I would like to thank all the whole family of SNVP. Next year, we, the student of class 12, was going to face this harsh world. But I'm very pretty sure that this family will always help us to cooperate with this cooperative world. Thank you. Happy Foundation to all of you. Have a nice day.
Thank you for your words. Now it's melody time. Let's have a song video.
Hello to all of you. I'm dedicate the song to my school, Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth.
Thank you for that amazing video. Now, we are going to reveal the prize holders of the elocution competition. From class nursery, we have Stephen as the first prize holder, Bhavneet Kaur as second.
From LKG class, we have Divya Sharma as the first place holder and Abdul Fahad as the second place holder.
From UKG, we have Aditi Bharania as first prize holder, Gaurav Das as second, and Agam and Ayushman as third.
From class first, we have Rayansh and Shreyansh as the first place holder, Ishika Prajapati for second place holder, and Aisha Alam as the third place holder.
From second class, we have Nitya and Ganesh Agarwal as first prize holder, Jivika as second, and Aryan Ahuja as third.
Now, let me share the shining stars of handwriting competition for class 3rd to 5th. Class 3rd, we have Adrit and Lakshay as the first place holder, Aditya and Bhumika as the second place holder, Daksh and Ajitesh as the third place holder.
From class 4th, we have Damanpreet as first place holder, Rao Muhammad Zaid as second, and Tanvi as third.
From class 5th, we have Arinjay as the first place holder, Vatsal as the second place holder, Sparsh Tiwari as the third place holder. Congratulations to all. Now here comes Dhani from UKG class with her dance performance.
Hiya, Bobby.
Hi, Ken.
You wanna go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Laughing plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Laughing plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a flying girl in a fantasy world. Pick me up, make it time. I'm your darling.
You're my doll, rock and roll. Feel the glamour and bling. Kiss me here, touch me there. Hanky, hanky.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Make me walk.
Oh, that was a mesmerizing performance.
Now we are going to see another dance video by Gunur of class UKG.
Desi crew, Desi crew, Desi crew, Desi crew.
रूप लिंक करे अखां कुड़ियों रूप लिंक करे अखां कुड़ियों यारी नू लगो के मैं ते रखा कुड़ियों लगियां ते मेरी इत्थे लखा कुड़ियों कुड़ियां ते खड़ी नू बुलांदा जान जान के मुंडियां दे विच तुरे हिक तान तान के
Thank you, Gunur, for your superb video.
Now here comes Shrishti from class 8 with her poem video.
of class 8B is going to recite a poem. Founders Day is here again. All the memories are in a lane. The glimpse of the carnival is here. Rides of swings were full of fear. Scrumptious food that was made was like the cherry on the cake. Cultural program was the attraction with maximum students participation. Game stalls were the lift. We all won so many gifts. All we waited for the lucky draw, waiting for the coupon to withdraw. All we miss out this year, but promise to make it next year. Thank you all.
Oh, thank you for such a lovely video.
Now we are going to see the video of Khushi and Khushbu of class 8 who will be presenting a speech.
Our school's pride can't be subsided. Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Khushbu of class 8B and myself Khushi of class 8B present here to deliver our speech on topic My School Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth. Our school SNVP is one of the India's leading school with a premier reputation. It is situated at Mawana Road, Meerut, UP and was founded in 2005 by Nagin Charitable Trust NCT. It is spread over 15 acres of land. Our school is affiliated with CBSE. Our school contains library, computer lab, science lab, maths lab, music room, gymnasium, dance room, swimming pool, badminton court, basketball court, skating ground and indoor games like chess, carom, etc. Also, medical facilities are available and an assembly ground. As I am part of SNVP from nursery, I get to know many things which I never know before. Like and every week there is an activity held in the class to develop their skills. The fun and super annual function is also held in our school. And every year drawing competition is also held in our school in which we enjoy a lot. And not only this much, in our school pajama party is also held in which we enjoy a lot. And stayed one night in our school and have a lot of fun. In Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth, teaching is done with the help of projectors. Every query of every student is being sought out. The teachers, the coordinators, the principal work so hard for our bright future. Also, there are 4 groups divided in students like Jal, Akash, Vayu, Prithvi, in which children have their inter-house competitions. In our school, there is Radio Nagin 107.8 FM in which children also get the chance to speak. In our school, English is the campus language and we used to speak in English. An acrostic poem dedicated to my school. S. Super teachers. C. Caring. H. Homework. O. Oral language. O. On task. L. Lots of fun. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you Khushi and Khushbu for your marvelous speech.
Let's have another amazing dance video by Yashika Chaudhary.
ओरे पिया ओरे पिया ओरे पिया ओरे पिया उड़ने लगा क्यों मैं बाबुला रे आया कहाँ से ये हौसला रे ओरे पिया ओरे पिया
That was a captivating performance.
Now we are going to see a video of Angel of class 2nd.
आज तो पनीर डैडी तू चॉकलेट लेट लेट मेरी कपी केक 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 नंबर एक कुड़ी तू चॉकलेट लेट लेट मेरी कपी केक 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 नंबर एक कुड़ी तू चॉकलेट है दिल वाली डील है रॉकिंग फील है मैं उधर आता हूँ मेरी हीर आ जाती है उसे जब भी बुलाऊं पर आती थोड़ा लेट कुड़ी तू चॉकलेट लेट लेट मेरी कपी केक 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 नंबर एक कुड़ी तू चॉकलेट लेट लेट मेरी कपी केक 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 नंबर एक कुड़ी तू चॉकलेट
Thank you, Angel, for your mesmerizing performance.
Now we are here to see an amazing video by Gurpreet Singh of class 4th A.
Morning everyone, my name is Gurpreet Singh. I study in class 4th A. Today I am going to speak the speech on my school's Founders Day. My school is the best school of the city. It is located in Meerut. My school name is Shanti Niketan Vidyapeeth. It has a big playground. It also has a big computer lab. My school has been ranked first due to greenery. My school focuses on the knowledge of students. My school has the best teachers of the city. Thank you.
Thank you for your amazing video. Now we are going to see a video by Arinjay of class 5th.
Hello everyone, this is Arinjay, grade 5A, Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth. In today's poem, I am going to express my love to my teachers for their hard work, dedication, love and compassion. And here it begins. Paint their minds and guide their thoughts. Share their achievements and advise their faults. Inspire a love of knowledge and truth as you light the path which leads our youth. Our future brightens with each lesson you teach. Each smile lengthens, each goal you help reach. The dawn of each poet, each philosopher and king begins with a teacher and the wisdom they bring. Thank you.
Thank you, Arinjay, for your wonderful video.
Now we are here to see a video by Priyanshi from UKG class. That was an amazing video.
Now we are going to see a video by Parjanya Arya of class 5th. Good morning everybody. I am Parjanya Arya from class 5th and a student of Shantiniketan Vidyapit. Being successful is more of a journey, not a destination. The greatest journey of our lives starts off with small steps. And the journey of my life begins through the gateways of Shantiniketan Vidyapit 2 years ago. I am glad that today we are celebrating the 17th Founders Day of the school and will be celebrating many more in the upcoming years. Yes, 14th of July was that day when our Honorable Chairman Sir started this journey. The journey which has made its travelers reach their best of their destinations. We are lucky that we are educated in a school like this grade. Our school gives us opportunity to achieve the highest standards. We should acknowledge the efforts that our teachers are doing to make us get the top of the grades and reach those goals we someday wished. The founders of our school has proved that success is possible, but it's you who have to decide if you are ready to hard work or not. It was his effort which helped our school to be at the accept in the segment. I am proud to say that I am from Shantiniketan Vidyapit, which allowed me to flourish as a student and have proved me, but not only with education, but with never dying memories. Memories just in period of 2 academic seasons. Happy Founders Day to all. Thank you Parjanya for your wonderful video.
Now we are here to see a video by Yajvan Arya of class 4th.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम यज्ञन आर्या है। मैं कक्षा 4A का छात्र हूँ। आज मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है भोले भाले बादल। झब्बर झब्बर बालों वाले, गुब्बारों से गालों वाले लगे दौड़ने। आसमान में झूम झूम कर काले बादल, कुछ जोकर से तोड़ फुलाएं, कुछ हाथी से सूंड उठाएं, कुछ ऊँटों से कुबड़ वाले, कुछ परियों से पंख लगाएं। आपस में टकराते रहने शेरों से वाली बात। कुछ तो लगते हैं तूफानी, कुछ रह करते शैतानी, कुछ अपने थैलों में चुपके झर 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 बरसाते पानी। धन्यवाद।
That was a commendable video.
Now we are going to see a video by Vrinda.
Akko takko idi gidi gidi go idi pai chiki chakacho gili gili mal sulu sulu mal makanaka huku bukure tuku bukure chakalaka bikko chikko sili 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 go bagradum chiki chakacho. देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। सापा धारे गारे गामा पासा, बम 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 बोले, बम चिक बोले, अरे मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले, बम बम बोले।
Thank you, Vrinda, for your amazing video.
Now I would like to invite the most distinguished, well-versed and shrewd personality of Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth, none other than our respectable Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Vibha Gupta, for her speech.
A very good morning to all of you. Hope I'm audible. Ajayda, am I audible?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Morning. A very good morning to everyone who is there in the assembly also, and all those very, very happy Founders Day. It is very good to see that students are enjoying their dancing and they're happy meeting each other, though it is online. But very soon the schools are going to be reopened, and every one of us, me, your teachers, that school is waiting for you, that when you will be back to school. Students, it's been a long journey. The school was established in the year 2005, and it's been 16 years. You have many of your seniors, many of the alumni who have passed out from the school, and they are successfully going through their professional and personal lives. So it is a suggestion, guidance, and a request to everyone, all the students. See, you are almost 1.5 years, but spent at home. And though the teaching was online, but still you have missed many things which your seniors have not missed. That is your personal touch with the teachers, your physical presence in the school, and your exchange of ideas, your tiffin, your lunch box, and meeting your friends. But see that when the schools, as soon as the school reopens, every one of you start attending the classes physically. And the school is not just for academics. Coming to school makes you good in many other things also, okay? Makes you confident, makes you feel good, makes you feel social. So whenever the school reopens, whenever there are orders, do come back to school, because every one of us are waiting. And other than that also, whenever you have online classes, what I'm finding, many of you are not attending your classes. So definitely the things, the people, the students, those who are attending, you will be left far, far, far more behind the others, those who are attending the regular classes. So do attend your classes, do watch the beautiful videos that are being shared with you, okay? And do be in touch with all your teachers, and take care of your health, your family's health. All your parents, those who are watching, I wish you all a very, very happy Founders Day. It is all because of your support. The journey has been beautiful. The journey has been, we never, still we are amazed at how this journey, 16 years, were all spent so quickly, and hope to have a great future ahead with the support of every one of you. God bless you all, my children. Take care. Come back soon.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your enlightened words.
The next dignitary to honor us with his presence is Chairman Sir. So, sir, please scatter the precious gems of your precious words for us to grab them.
Good morning, everyone. On this Founders Day, I wish good luck to all my students, parents, teachers, and their families, including my principals. Today, I seek blessings from God and our founder chairman, Sir Shri Nagin Chand Jain ji, who started this school in 2005. Since 2005, now we are 18 schools. And our students, those who passed out, are at the topmost positions in various companies. And we feel proud of it. Nagin Chand Jain sir said that don't prepare your students just in academics and to pass out class 12th, but to prepare your students so that they become CEOs of the greatest companies across the world. They become the leaders of tomorrow. And our principals, our teachers are working exactly on the same philosophy at Nagin Group of Schools. Today with Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth and St. Xavier's World School, we have about 8,000 students, 350 staff members, more than 5,000-6,000 students, those who have passed out, those who are at highly successful positions in the country. They're serving army, they're doctors, they're engineers, they're at Microsoft, they've studied in US, and we feel proud. I wish that all my students excel in their career in the future and they're at the topmost positions. Today on this Founders Day, I wish them good luck. And I'm sure with the hard work, with the dedication they are putting in, they're going to be at the topmost positions. So wish you good luck on this Founders Day. May God be with you all the times. May God motivate you to do hard work, to excel, to do the best in your life. I wish all my teachers that God gives you enough courage to change the lives of our students. Our students' lives should be better and better and better day by day. This Founders Day is such an important day when definitely our former chairman, Shri Nagin Chand Jain ji, is going to be blessing all our students, teachers, principals, including me, my family. You all are my family. Have a great life. Have a great year ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. These words were really enlightening and encouraging. Now, as we were preparing for Founders Day Assembly and everything, there was this line of a movie, I don't remember the name of the movie, that was constantly banging on my head. The line is, अकेला ही चला था जाने पे मंजिल मगर लोग मिलते गए और कारवां बन गया. And after these 16 years, we all are very much proud of being a part of this Carva. And today, as we celebrate the 16th Founders Day, I congratulate each and every member of SNVP family, the teachers, the students, their parents, and the other staff that we tend to overlook, but who are, again, an important part of our family. So I congratulate each one of you, and congratulations to the two anchors. You've been doing a great job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Before we end this assembly, there is special vote of thanks to all the teachers who have been, working really, really hard to make this institution what it is. Be it the principal or the other teachers, everyone has been a great part of a great team. So as we come to the closure of this assembly, here is the final vote of thanks to the teachers. Thank you all once again.
साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे तुमसे ही आशा, इरादों के बस्ते तुमने भरे, मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों की जुगनू रखी, गम छुपा के अपने खुशियों का पता दिया, कर्ज ये हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। क्लासरूम जब गुम थे खोली तुमने ही खिड़कियां, वेलकम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया।
So this was a thanks to the teachers. But there is one more thing from our alumni, and there is another video that we are going to watch. Our alumni saying something, presenting something.
Good morning everyone. I am Captain Nayan Chaudhary, a proud SNVPN of 2014 batch. I joined SNVP in 2006 in 5th standard, and in next 8 years SNVP made me what I am today. It fills my heart with immense gratitude as and when I remember my amazing school days at SNVP. SNVP has always been very close to my heart, as it has not only helped me in shaping up my personality but also gave me a platform for my overall development. Whether it is Vishal sir's charismatic aura as head of the school or Ritu ma'am's guidance, everything from teachers to the curriculum to the infrastructure or the plethora of activities being organized at SNVP has always proved to be of great learning value. I wish SNVP years and years of success. I am really obliged to be part of the SNVP family and will always contribute my humble bit to keep the flag of SNVP flying high. Thank you and all the best.
So with this, we come to the end of the assembly today. Once again, congratulations to each one of us and a very happy Founders Day to all. Thank you so much.